Hello and nice to see you again on the Cracfix channel. So I'm having here an Honor device, an Honor smartphone. The exact model is Honor 90. When you see here down it says REA and then it's NX9. So if you have such a model and your problem is that the device is frozen, actually the screen is not responding. You can't click anything and you can't even call, you can't turn it off, you can't do anything here. So if you want to turn it off and you click on a volume up and the power button here, let's see if something is happening. Nothing happens. You click on volume down and the power button to see if something is happening. Also not. So the phone is totally unresponsive. Probably there is a software glitch or something. We will now try to force restart the phone and see if this will work. So if you have a similar phone or this phone and the problem is you can use it, then try this. We will do following now. We will press all three buttons here. Actually you see this is only one button. It looks like one button for volume up and down, but it's made from two buttons inside. So you press here to the up, down, and this one as well. So it's like you're pressing three buttons. And we will hold these three buttons and try to force restart the phone. So let's go. Press all three buttons, up, down, and this one. And let's hold these three buttons until the phone restarts. Okay, so phone is restarting now. I hope this was only a software glitch and the touch will be responsive again and it will work again like normal. So let's see. Let's just wait to phone to boot up and see what happens. In the meantime, I would like to say that I really put a lot of effort in these videos. I would really appreciate if you can write a comment, maybe say thank you, it worked for me. If you can make a donation, thank you, this will also help to support my channel. And as you see, it's working again, so you just type in your PIN and you will use your phone again. This is basically a bug which happens sometimes, and after the fourth restart, it makes it go away and your phone will work again. So let me know in the comments if it did work for you, and I appreciate if you click on like, share and to subscribe to my channel. I help you guys in the next video. So subscribe and see you.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description.
Here on my channel just click on more and then you have here the donation link.
Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.